Hi guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to multiply the quantity and rate, get it in the amount column. For example, if we use equals to and then we specify the cell star, and then if we specify this cell which is D2, hit enter, we will get this kind of error. Why are we getting this kind of error? Because these cells are having text characters, right? So what we will do here is I will just delete this value and then I will just put hash and then I will specify the number which is 3 and here, and then I will put star which is for multiplication, and then I'll put the rate which is 30. Now I will hit enter. After this I will press Ctrl E, right? So now here you can see that all the rows are filled with the values which are there in the quantity and rate, right? Now what I will do is I will press Ctrl H, and here in find what I'll specify the hash and replace with equals to. Now I will press replace all. Now here you can see that we made 5 replacements. I will click on OK, close it. Now here I have all the multiplied values. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.